Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here, coming at you with another watch review video. I hope everybody out there is having had a great week this week. It is Friday and it's a beautiful day here in sunny Florida, and I hope you guys are all having a great day wherever you are. Today we've got a watch that I have here that I'm going to go over, and before we get started, as always, I'd just like to say thank you so much to all of you guys, all the current subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all your interaction with the channel, all your liking, subscribing, posting comments, and just all your general interaction with the channel. It really does help out, and I could not appreciate you guys more. If you are new to this channel, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you do like that concept, I would appreciate that thumbs up. Liking and subscribing always does help out the channel, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube. And I also have, if you're interested in men's fashion, I also have Dave the Shoe Man on YouTube, so you can head on over to my other channel and check out my review on budget-friendly shoes for the everyman. So, without further ado, let's get started and check out this watch that I have for you guys today. This is a watch that is, once again, from Pagani Design. I love my Pagani Design watches. These guys are great. They come out with some really nice styles, nice watches, and great quality. Best quality for the price. I am not sponsored by Pagani Design, but I will post an affiliate link in the description below, so you guys can head on over and pick that up and wear it for yourselves. It is an affiliate link, so it does not charge you anything more to use it, but it does send a small commission over to me if you decide to make your purchase using that link, and that is very much appreciated. So let's get into this box and show you what we have today from Pagani Design. Like I said, I do have a lot of Pagani Designs. I have a couple of them in the screen. Right now I have one here, I have one here, and I also have a couple of other Pagani Design watches. I really do like them. I have probably about 6 or 7 of them in my collection at this point. Really nice watches and great quality for the money. So let's get into this box here. Once again, it's got the magnetic box, really nice box, display box that it comes in. Comes with the cleaning cloth. I have a bunch of these Pagani Design cleaning cloths, different colors. So it comes with the cleaning cloth, also the protective foam, and here is the watch. Comes on this pillow pad, and the watch is wrapped in plastic. It also has the guarantee card in the side here, an instruction booklet. Let's see here, an instruction booklet to show you how to operate the watch, basic instructions there. And it also comes with, it looks like, a tag for the band. So you do have the watch tag, you have the booklet, and you have your warranty card along with a cleaning cloth. And the watch itself is wrapped up. So let's check this thing out. Okay, so now this is the Pagani Design PD1736. Once again, I am partial to the blue due to my paramedic background, and I do love these utility looking watches from Pagani Design that do look very nice, especially if you are on the road as a paramedic. This is probably one of my favorites, but this is also something that if you're a police officer or you are a paramedic, this is going to look really nice on your wrist, and it's not going to be too large to get in the way of your job. Very nice looking watch. It's got the unidirectional bezel that is really solid. This thing is really nice. Guys, this is a lot of spec for the price. This is really, oh, that's nice. It looks like it's got a dual-sided band with leather on the inside and nylon on the outside. But anyhow, this is a beautiful watch. It is an automatic, so it does have the Seiko NH35A movement, and one of the nicest features I like about this watch is that open dial right there, the exhibition dial, which shows you the clock spring of the watch, and it also has the beautiful exhibition case. And you guys, if you've watched my channel, you know how much of a big fan I am of these exhibition cases. But this is a Seiko NH35A movement automatic. It is water resistant up to 200 meters. I do believe that is also probably ISO certified. It does say diver's watch, so suitable for diving maybe. Really, really nice watch. It's got that brushed stainless look on the side. It is a stainless steel case at 43 millimeters, and it does have a sapphire crystal, guys. You are getting a lot of spec on this watch for the price, including a ceramic bezel, the nylon band with the dual-sided leather, and the deployment clasp. Look at how nice this deployment clasp looks. I mean, it's very, very nice. It's milled, very good quality. It has the Pagani design signature right on the edge of the clasp. Really, really great quality, triple stitched nylon with the inside being genuine leather. Very, very nice quality watch. Like I said before, 200 meters of water resistance, stainless steel, and it does say diver's watch, automatic diver's watch on it, up to 200 meters. So I do believe this is a certified watch. So anyway, the loom on this thing, let's take a look at the loom. Looks like you got a little piece of plastic on the back here too that could come off. Yeah, there we go. And you can get a kind of a better look at it without that plastic on there. Really, really nice watch all around. Let's take a look at the loom on this thing as I hold it up to the light. See if this thing has some really nice illumination. It's really... Oh, guys, yeah, that's beautiful. That is beautiful illumination on that thing. Really, really sharp. It's on the indices. It's on the hands. Very, very nice. Very nice watch all around. I love Pagani design. I will post an affiliate link to this in the description below for to be purchased on Amazon Prime, where you can get this thing probably in a day or two, depending on your location and what's being offered for shipping at the time. But you're not going to believe the price on this thing. Guys, the price on this thing, if you head on over to Amazon right now, you can take advantage of a 5% off coupon, and you can pick this thing up for right around $130 minus the 5%. So you can probably pick this thing up for about 125 bucks if you head on over to Amazon right now using that affiliate link below. You head right on over now. The good thing about this watch, if you're not a paramedic and you're not interested in the blue styling of this watch, it is available in many different colors and color combinations. I think they had this thing available in all black. They had it available in black and silver. They had green. They had all of these options with a stainless steel bracelet option, which is also very nice, a silver stainless steel bracelet option. But I think they have black, green, silver, blue, obviously. Many different styles to choose from. The Pagani design PD1736, 43 millimeter stainless steel, 200 meters of water resistance, Seiko NH35A automatic movement with the ceramic bezel and sapphire crystal, anti-magnetic properties, nylon band, dual-sided leather with the deployment clasp. Beautifully crafted deployment clasp on this thing. Very nice milled stainless, brushed stainless look, and wonderful illumination capabilities, and that magnificent dial exposing that clock spring. Just a beautiful, beautiful watch all around. I could not recommend this more. Like I said, I'm a big fan of these Pagani design watches. I think you get a lot of spec for the price on these things. So once again, wonderful watch. It does kind of resemble this watch here, which I did a couple of weeks ago. Very nice watch also, and I'm just loving their brushed stainless collection. So I've got this watch too. I do have reviews on both of these other watches as well. So if you want to check those out, check out my other videos. And like I said before, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you do like that concept, I would appreciate that thumbs up, as liking and subscribing always does help out the channel, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube. And I also have Dave the Shoe Man. If you'd like to check out some reviews on budget-friendly shoes for the everyman, check out Dave the Shoe Man, and you can become a subscriber of both channels. So once again, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman, and I will see you guys all in the next watch review video. Unless you're over on the other side, then I will see you guys all in the next shoe review video on Dave the Shoe Man. So until next time, I hope you guys all have a great weekend, and I am out of here. See you guys next time.